How much time do you spend in your stores or on your laundromat business per week? Would you say on average?
Yeah. So that's, I mean, that question I hear people answer it all the time, and the truth
Hmm.
is, like, I come to my laundromats most every day of a 5-day work week, and but I would say that my primary function in this company at this point is not to run it. Like, I may not even say that there's stores I probably haven't been in for. I go months without stepping in them, but they're being ran. I mean, I can see on our profit and loss statements that the people I have are maintaining or even improving the laundries. So working in my laundries is, unless someone's on vacation, is actually becoming. I don't have any of the day to day. Like,
Hmm.
everything I have is. I mean, I have a gal named Megan, which I think you were working with her. Like, she
Hmm.
schedules me stuff that I need to be on for banks or architects or whatever. But
Hmm.
I mean, I would say that I probably work 40 hours a week right now, but that's because I'm really pushing to expand.
Right.
If that was
Right.
not the case, if I just wanted to be content with what I have, like, I could
Hmm.
probably have 2 weekly meetings and be
Hmm.
fine. Like, we
Hmm.
we do have a Wednesday meeting where it starts at 9 and it can go till noon or it can go till 10. I mean, it doesn't
Hmm.
have a we don't have a time limit on it. We don't have an
Hmm.
agenda. It's just dealing with, like I said, we're gonna have one tomorrow, and I'm guessing it's gonna run long because
Hmm.
we just got done with the one store we purchased. We got a 2 package deal, and now we're gonna go. I mean, I don't have the personnel to do 2 stores at once, so we had
Okay.
to fix up one, and now we're gonna go to the next one.
Hmm.
And we're gonna start game planning that and start putting a schedule to it and what we wanna do first and how we wanna attack it. And like I said, we've already purchased equipment because we will be adding equipment to that, and we'll be removing top loaders. So it will be a longer meeting on tomorrow.
Hmm. Hmm. But for the most part, I mean, you're saying that you've got a staff and you've got a well-trained team that you can count on, and that's kind of the key to freedom, isn't it? To entrepreneurial freedom.
It 100% is. I mean, it lets me focus
Yeah.
on the stuff that I wanna focus on instead of stuff I have to.
Yeah.